Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Alphaguard token. Ticker symbol is AGD. Now this token just got a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange starting today, December 29th. We're going to go over the information on the AGD token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So Alphaguard aims to enhance trust and stability in the DeFi field and blockchain ecosystem by providing comprehensive smart contract audit services to strengthen the security environment of blockchain applications. Now this token is on the Binance Smart Chain. There is a total supply of 100 million tokens. They have, let's go over here, so it says they have 804 holders so far and 18 decimal places on this token. And this token just got listed today, December 29th at 11 o'clock UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search AGD, the ticker symbol for this token, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So the need for Alphaguard, addressing a critical gap. Recognizing the urgent need for enhanced security measures, Alphaguard was developed to address the vulnerabilities inherent in smart contracts. There is a focus on smart contract security. As smart contracts become increasingly complex and integral to blockchain applications, the importance of ensuring their security and integrity cannot be overstated. So the Alphaguard's mission and vision is enhancing security in blockchain. So Alphaguard's mission is to fortify the security landscape and blockchain applications by providing comprehensive smart contract auditing services. Also building trust in DeFi and blockchain by ensuring the reliability and safety of smart contracts. Alphaguard aims to foster greater trust and stability in the DeFi sector and the broader blockchain ecosystem. So Alphaguard is a revolutionary protocol dedicated to enhancing the security and integrity of smart contracts across diverse blockchain platforms. With the rapid growth of decentralized finance and other blockchain applications, the vulnerability of smart contracts has emerged as a critical concern. Alphaguard addresses this issue by offering a robust, automated smart contract auditing platform, ensuring the safety and reliability of blockchain-based applications. So they have the automated smart contract auditing, innovative technology. Alphaguard introduces an automated smart contract auditing platform leveraging advanced algorithms and machine learning techniques. Efficient and comprehensive audits. The automation allows for efficient, thorough, and rapid analysis of smart contracts, identifying vulnerabilities that might be missed in manual audits. Also, cross-chain compatibility. Wide-ranging applicability, understanding the diverse nature of blockchain platforms. Alphaguard is designed to be compatible across various blockchain technologies. adaptable and future-proof. The cross-chain capability ensures that Alphaguard remains relevant and effective even as new blockchain platforms emerge. There is a user-centric approach. Ease of use. So Alphaguard offers a user-friendly interface, making it accessible to both technical and non-technical users. Real-time monitoring alerts. The platform provides continuous monitoring and real-time alerts, enabling users to respond promptly to any identified issues. Now, they have a tokenomics section here. So it says the AGD token is an integral part of the Alphaguard's ecosystem. It plays a multifaceted role that intertwines with the platform's technical architecture and features. This integration is a key aspect of Alphaguard's tokenomics, creating a balanced ecosystem where the token's utility drives the platform's functionality and user engagement. So we have also the payment for services. So it's a payment token. AGD is used to pay for Alphaguard's core services, including smart contract auditing, access to advanced analysis, and premium notification services. This creates a direct demand for the token as users need AGD to access these essential services. It's also incentivizing contributions. So rewards for data layer contributions. Contributors who provide smart contract code for various blockchain platforms are rewarded in the AGD token, encouraging a diverse and comprehensive data collection. Rewards for enhancing the analysis engine. Developers and teams contributing to the improvement of Alphaguard's analysis algorithms are also incentivized with the AGD token. Now, AGD is a BNB-based utility token that endows its holders with governance voting rights. This feature is pivotal in shaping the future and functionality of the Alphaguard platform. Holders of AGD tokens are empowered to vote on key platform decisions. Their influence extends to approving or rejecting proposed modifications, enhancements, and integrations of new features and protocols. So the supply is capped at 1 million, and the allocation for this token, 33% go to contributors, 6% goes to private round, 10% public offering, 14% team, 25% DAO treasury, 5% early adopters, and 5% goes to liquidity. And like I said, this token just got listed today on Mexc Global, so make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc Global one. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.